Hi children, welcome to this session. In this session, we will learn how to write a profile. Profile. Profile is a minor discourse and it is given in SSC Public Examination Paper 2 Part 3. What is a profile? A profile is a brief information about a person. It carries only essential or important information about the person. It has information about one's achievements. It also showcases information about one's abilities and qualities. Dear children, where is profile needed? Profile is needed when we introduce a person. It is also needed when we talk about ourselves. And dear children, it is also needed when we attend for an interview. Okay, now let's know what goes into a profile. I mean, what do we include in a profile? We have to include the following things while writing a profile. The first one is name of the person. The second one is date of birth along with personal details of the person. The third one is academic qualifications of the person if got. The fourth one is contributions of the person. Fifth one is achievements of the person. And the sixth one is qualities of the person. And one more thing we have to remember while writing a profile, that we will be asked to write about a famous personality. In the examinations also, you will be given one biography, and according to that given biographical information, you will be asked to write a profile. Okay? First of all, let's observe the profile of Indian women team captain Smriti Srinivas Mandhana. Here we can see the actual profile writing. We have to cover these two aspects. One is points to be covered and details of the person. Fine. Now let me read points to be covered with details of person. Name Smriti Srinivas Mandhana. Date of birth July 18, 1996. Place of birth Mumbai, Maharashtra. Name of parents Smita Mandhana, mother, Srinivas Mandhana, father. Siblings Shravan Mandhana, brother. Batting left-handed. Bowling right arm medium pace. Jersey number #18. The best test debut August 13, 2014 against England. The best ODI debut April 10, 2013 against Bangladesh. The best T20 debut April 5, 2013 against Bangladesh. So, this is the profile of a famous cricketer and Indian women team captain Smriti Srinivas Mandhana. Children, I think you might have got understood how the actual profile looks like. Now let us see this example question that can be given in the examination. Now let us read the given biography and convert it into the profile. The question to write a profile looks alike in the examination. Now let me read the question, that is biography. The famous Telangana poet fondly called the Telangana Prajakavi was born on 9th September 1914 at Madikonda in Warangal district in the erstwhile state of Hyderabad in India. He was known famously with other names like Kaloji, Kalanna and Prajakavi. His wife's name is Srimati Rukmini Bai Kaloji and they have a son whose name is Mr. Ravi Kumar Kaloji. He is known for political activism. He is a famous poet, a freedom fighter and an anti-fascist. His published writings include Na Bharat Desh Yatra in 1941, Kaloji Katalu in 1943, Na Godava in 1953 and Telangana Udyama Kavitalu, including he had written so many books. He was awarded as second highest civilian award Padma Vibhushan in 1992 by the Government of India. His birthday, the 9th of September, is celebrated as the Telangana Language Day after the state of Telangana was achieved. He breathed his last at a ripe of 88 years on 13th November 2002 in his hometown Warangal in the state of Telangana. So, in this way, the question will be asked in the form of biography. And what you have to do here is you have to convert this biographical sketch into a profile. As the whole information will be given in this form, you can easily pick the information and convert into profile. But we have to maintain the coherence while writing the profile. Now let's see how can we answer to the given question. Dear children, you have to write your answer like this. You have to keep a heading Profile of Kaloji Narayan Rao. Then you have to take two columns. One is points to be covered. The second thing is details of the person. No problem if you don't write points to be covered or details of the person, but you have to take the columned rows. Now let me read the profile. Name Kaloji Narayan Rao, as known as Raghuveer Narayan Lakshmikant Srinivas Ramraj Kaloji. Born 9 September 1904, Madikonda, Warangal, Hyderabad State, India. Parents Kaloji Rangarao, father, Ramabai, mother. Other names Kaloji, Kalanna, Prajakavi. Known for poet, freedom fighter, political activist and anti-fascist. Spouse Rukmini Bai Kaloji. Children Ravi Kumar. Published writings Na Bharatadesha Yatra 1941, Kaloji Kadalu 1943, Na Godava 1953, Telangana Udyaka Kavitalu, etc. Awards and honors. Got Padma Vibhushan in 1992 and celebrated his birthday as Telangana Language Day. Died 13 November 2002 at age 88, Warangal, Telangana State. So my dear children, in this way we can convert the biographical sketch into a profile. It will be very easy to write profile because you will be provided information. So basing on that information, you can easily write the profile. But you have to remember and you have to maintain the coherence like this. Name, born, parents, other names, known for, spouse, children, awards and honors, if anything written, published writings, died on, if not died, the contribution also we can write. So dear children, I hope that you have got understood how to write a profile easily, and thank you for watching this video. I shall be feel fine enough if you send me your queries and doubts, so that it would be very much encouraging to me to come up with more and more new videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care and be healthy.